Hi everybody, here are the instructions for creating Instagram posts. Step 1. Create a design. Step 2. Bring your photos into the workplace. Align your photo as you wish. Step 3. Adjust the color of the photo as you wish. Next step. Add background to your design. Then, search photo element. Choose the element you think is beautiful. Put photos in photo frames. Create effects to make the design look more beautiful. Search shadow element. Choose the element that suits your design. Add reasonable shadows to make the design look more realistic. Next, choose a few more elements to make the design more vivid. Finally, download the design to your device or share it directly on social networks.